We can also think about, let's say that we go to an art museum, right? Say, wow, that painting is beautiful. That's a normal sentence, right? What if I want to make this stronger? Okay.
Extremely.
I can say, oh, I heard.
Extremely.
Extremely beautiful.
Extremely beautiful.
Okay. So the reason that we do this is to make it stronger. Okay. It's incredibly beautiful, right? There's lots of different options, and we're going to explore some of those options in this part of the unit. Okay. So guys, those are the two purposes: describe verbs and describe adjectives. Okay. We're going to take a look at this, these little sentences here. Okay. And we're going to see if we can recognize first some adverbs in these sentences. How do we use them in our sentences? So we see our verb is underlined already for us, right? And our goal is to read these sentences and find the adverb, okay? Just so that we can get warmed up for adverbs, okay? So number 7, let's read that sentence. How about Luis? Why don't you read it for us? Okay,
Yes.
this is just on the screen, guys. You don't have to open any document, okay?
Number 7.
Yeah.
Neil stopped suddenly and listened.
Ooh, so what is our adverb here?
Suddenly.
Suddenly.
Suddenly, very good, okay? Imagine, guys, if we remove this adverb, does the sentence still make sense?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, okay? But is this adverb valuable for our sentence?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because stopping suddenly and stopping is different, right? So we have a new quality there that can help us understand something, okay? Now, number 8, Patty, why don't you read that one?
Yeah. Nathan stamped his feet angrily.
That's right. So, very good. Stamped. Now, what is our adverb?
Angrily.
Angrily.
Angrily. Okay. So what do we notice about this word? It looks like another word we probably know.
Angry.
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 All right. So
Angry.
is what kind of word?
Adjective.
Adjective. Okay. So now we notice we added ILY. Okay. And we create adverb. Okay. How many syllables does angry have?
2.
Three.
Angry.
Two.
Okay.
Two.
How about this adverb?
3.
3.
Ooh, 3. Okay. So when you have an adjective that ends in Y, you're going to add that I and you get an extra syllable. Okay. Happily, merrily, angrily. Okay. So you're always going to get that same pattern. Same thing here, guys. Adverbs are formed with adjectives. Yes. So what is the adjective form of this one?
Sudden.
Sudden.
Sudden. Okay. If you know the adverb, you probably know the adjective. Woohoo. Easy. Okay. All right. Number 9. Let's read that one. Go ahead, Molly.
Oh, yeah. I carefully glued the last piece onto the model.
Ooh, good. Okay. So what is the adverb here, guys?
Carefully.
Carefully.
Carefully. Okay, good. What do you notice that what happened here? Careful. What did we add?
Ly.
Ly.
Still want both L's now. Okay. Good. Number 10. How about you, Faye? Why don't you read that one?
Sam accidentally slipped on the ice.
Nice. What is our adverb here, guys?
Accidentally.
Accidentally.
Beautiful. Okay. This is a good example real quick of this little T, the shy T that goes away. All right. Remember, when you see a T that is between N and a vowel like that, it's common that it gets removed in speech, okay? Accidentally.
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 Oh my goodness, I
Accidentally.
accidentally hit another car yesterday. Okay, so you don't have to, but if you're listening, it is common that it goes away. It's a little bit easier for your flow of speech. All right, number 11, let's read that one. Jose, go ahead. Jose, are you there? I think you're muted. Can you hear me?
No te escuchamos.
I don't think, Jose?
Hi, Jose.
Sorry, I'm here.
Jose.
I hear.
Yeah, number 11, go ahead.
Okay. Yesterday they played a game.
Ooh, cool. So wait a minute, what's the adverb here?
Dan, good question.
Yesterday.
Yesterday is a
Yesterday.
time adverb.
Oh.
Yesterday.
I know it's weird. It looks like
Why?
fun, but this is an adverb, one of the time adverbs. Okay, so yesterday, that's an adverb. Wow, you learn something new every day, huh?
Yeah.
We do.
Hope so. That's the goal. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, good. Number 12. Let's read that one. Mandy, are you there?
Yes,
Go ahead.
the truck grumbly, grumped loudly,
Nice. What's the adverb here?
loudly.
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 Oh,
Grumbled.
grumbled.
Grumbled. What does this mean?
Grumbled.
Complain.
But the truck.
Oh, truck.
They make noises.
Yeah.
Big noise. Yeah, make noise.
Complain, moan, grunt, whine.
Okay. So yeah.
Yeah.
Right though, Jessica. It's,
Some sound.
yeah. You can grumble about something and complain and you know.
Yeah.
But the truck did that because it's very loud. Okay.
Yeah, like 8 complaints.
They have a, my
Exactly.
stomach was starting to grumble
Yes.
horribly.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Making noise. Good. All right. Number 13. Natmani, are you there? Natmani, yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Could you read number 13 for us?
we'll go to the concert soon.
Ooh, thank you so much. So what is our adverb here?
Yes.
Hmm?
Soon.
Soon.
Soon. Okay, soon. Good. Go soon. Yes. It's all the time, right? All right, number 14, our last one here. So Amanda, why don't you read that one for us?
Yeah, sure. Jane waited patiently for the computer to load.
Nice. So what's the adverb, guys?
Patiently.
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 Very good. Okay, so this was just kind of to wake up our brains and get in the thought process of how and where and what kind of adverbs are there. Okay. And now we're going to take this concept and move it to our academic lesson. Okay.
Mhm.
You guys have any questions about these sentences before we go?
Mm,
All right. So let's go back then to our book. This is going to be Unit 5. It's PDF 11. And it is 18 and 19 if you're at the bottom of the pages.
Mm. Well, I do have a question. I just don't completely understand why yesterday is an adverb. It's just because of the, is related with the place, like for the game? Is emphasizing in that or?
It's a good question. Is there anybody that thinks they can explain why yesterday is an adverb?
Can I see the sentence again?
Yes, we will take a look. So it's here. It says yesterday they played a game.
Yeah, it's another of time, as you said, of time. It describes time.
Because it's explain when the game was played.
Mm,
It describes the verb.
okay. Yeah.
I know it's kind of tricky, guys, okay? Because you know what? Yesterday can be, some people considered yesterday to be both a noun
Yeah.
and an adverb. Okay.
Sorry, can I just mention, is it because of the day?
Yeah, that's what I thought, like, because they're emphasized that was yesterday, the game, it's already go, it's past, you know, yesterday played.
Yeah.
They means like something like pointed to something else, like yesterday, daily. Oh.
Yeah, they're emphasizing, okay,
Yes.
that happened.
Yes.
When? Yesterday.
Yes.
What game? Uh-huh.
Like today, yesterday, the day before, the day. They mentioned the day. For my understanding, is the day, because of the day. I think so.
Object. Uh-huh.
Yes, it is a very good question, guys. Okay, because it is a little bit confusing, but we need to think about, is this additional information modifying the sentence or is it part of the sentence? Okay,
What if I-
because here, technically, if I remove this information, then the sentence still makes sense. Okay.
Mhm.
And so it's not serving as the subject, it's not serving as the object, it's simply modifying or giving information about time. Okay, and that's why in this context, we would consider it an adverb. Okay, if I said this, listen to this, okay? Yesterday was the best day of my life.
Yeah.
Is that an adverb anymore?
No.
It's something else.
It's
Mentioned
a subject, so it's now a noun. Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Mhm.
nice. Good question.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so we have lots of fun different types of adverbs, okay? There are many kinds. We will focus on 4 types, okay? Comparing adverbs, numbers and time, how things are stated, okay? And then restricting or limiting adverbs. These are the most common types in an academic context, okay? So we see here, guys, some of these words that you probably have seen in texts or in speeches and things like that, okay? So we're just going to look at this list. Comparatively, relatively, okay? In comparison with something else, but we want to think about that. Our sample was relatively small. But what is it comparing? What is compared here?
Speak.
Compared to the whole, like a sample of people
Sample.
for a research or a
Sample.
sample of food or
Yeah.
just like a portion. I don't know.
But that's right. So let's say, for example, I'm doing a survey. I do a survey and I ask 10 people. Okay. That is my sample. All right. Just the people that I ask. Okay. But I'm wondering, why would I use a comparing adverb when there is nothing here comparing? What am I comparing it to?
The size.
Small.
The size.
Of what though?
The small size, the sizes of the sample.
But compared to what?
The average.
Other
People
survey.
sample.
Maybe we're comparing to the average.
Comparing
Yeah.
with the other.
All other samples in general, the average.
Yeah.
Okay. So in comparison to other samples that exist, okay, the average size is maybe like 100 or even 1,000. And I only asked 10. So even though there's no explicit comparison, this is still used to talk about other things in general. Okay, our sample was relatively small compared to the average. Okay, that's really how it's commonly used. So always keep in mind, those comparisons are not stated, but they are there hidden in the meaning. Okay. What about especially and particularly? What does this mean, guys?
Special.
More than usual. Okay. Special.
Compared to common things.
Common.
Good. So here it says the process was not especially difficult. So what does that mean?
Normal. Common.
No, it was normal, wasn't too bad. Okay. Yes. Especially.
Specific.